Let's break down layers in large language models. Layers are sequential processing stages. Each layer enriches the model's understanding, starting with first layers spotting basic patterns, while middle layers add context from surrounding words, and deep layers build complex meaning from all this context. In total, a large language model could have anywhere from 24 to over 100 layers, depending on what aspects of meaning the AI researchers decide to emphasize. Through careful design choices, researchers create a system where each layer progressively transforms its input, building increasingly sophisticated language understanding. So that's layers. Now, let's look at another component, parameters. Like in regular programming, parameters are adjustable values, but in AI models, they're values that are tuned automatically through training. AI researchers choose the number of parameters, but don't choose their values. The training process discovers the right values by repeatedly testing and adjusting them. The number of parameters reaches into the billions, with each one contributing to how the model processes language. So, how do layers and parameters work together in practice? Let's compare them directly. So, layer count is the fixed architecture we choose before training, whereas parameters are numbers that change as the model learns. More layers don't always help solve a task better, but when all else is equal, more parameters typically do improve performance. However, a smaller model with the right layer design and high-quality training data for its specific task can outperform larger models with more parameters on that task. To put it another way, while layers provide the structure for processing language, from basic patterns to complex meaning, it's the billions of parameters that actually store what the model learns.